Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to make cold coffee. Iced coffee is a refreshing way to enjoy your coffee during warm days, and making it at home is easy. Just follow these steps. Now you have two great options: cold hot coffee or cold brew coffee. Just cold brew has a richer, smoother flavor and won't dilute as quickly with ice. Now, fill a glass with ice cubes and use coffee ice cubes to prevent dilution and boost coffee flavor. Now pour the cold coffee into the glass over the ice and top with your choice of milk. You can do whole milk, almond milk, oat, soy, cream, etc. Customize your iced coffee sweetness by sugar, simple syrup or maple syrup or agave nectar for natural sweeteners. Just some tips for best iced coffee: use strong coffee. Ice and milk dilute the coffee, so start with a strong brew. Brew coffee in advance and store it in the fridge for up to 4 days, and freeze leftover coffee in trays to avoid watery drinks. Now, stir your coffee, milk, and sweetener together. Taste and adjust as needed, then sip and enjoy a perfect homemade iced coffee anytime. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.